Do you know which is which? That's correct. That is the place where we clean Pluto. What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh the PEZ guy here on the PEZ Book channel. Do me a favor, leave me your questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Down there. Now then. All right. Somebody want to know the difference between C and D trucks? Well, I have the difference right here. It's going to be your wheels. These are fixed wheels. This thing does not roll. It's not going anywhere. However, this one, yeah, I wouldn't go into that dirty spot either. So you have that. Also, let's see, where is it? Right here, R4. But here we just have a number 1. So that's going to be the differences in the heads as well as fixed wheels on the D, and then the moving wheels on the C. So even though they look similar here, one rule of thumb is look between the wheels here. See the difference? Square there, and a rectangle here. So when you see that rectangle, that says movable wheels. Also, if you see them on card, that's another way to tell them. Is that rectangle there? It'll let you know it's a movable wheels if you can't see this side. So there's the differences. Hope that answered your question. So until next time.